Today I'm installing Govee recessed downlights in my living room. So I'm going to attempt to replace these recessed lights with these smart ones. So yeah, let's get started. Here are the lights, and this is the power supply. So it's this small metal box, and it comes with white and black power wires, a ground wire, and these wire connectors. I've connected the wire connectors. They are just push connectors. You just push one end of the wire in there and they are connected. From the ceiling, the white wire goes into the white, the black goes into the black, and a green slash bare copper wire will go into the ground. In my ceiling, there's only white and black, so those are the ones that I'm going to connect. So let's go and do it. Before I forget, we need to connect the silver wire which comes out of the ceiling, the silver housing which comes out of the ceiling into this box. So there are these small tab holes over here. We can just go ahead and remove those, and that's where that silver wire can enter this box. It's best to get one of these wire clippers, I guess it's called. I got it off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. This will hold the silver housing in place and make sure that this box is secure in your ceiling. Better to install this into this little hole as well. So the wire harness thing has been connected, and I'm gonna pass the silver wire through this to make sure it's secure. Once the wire goes into this, there are screws right here. Just gotta screw these screws in so that the wire is tight and secure. So I'm gonna start with taking the light out. Okay, so the light is out. Now that the light is out, I need to get the can out of here. So I first tried with a drill. That didn't work. The space is not enough for the drill to bite on here and open it easily. So small screwdriver it is.
Mama, you didn't use my small drill.
Wow, baby, yeah, you do have a small drill, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's okay, baby. I got it. I have screwdriver in my hand right now. But thank you, baby. Okay. It's out. Be ready for a little bit of insulation shower. I'm just going to push some of this insulation back. Now, I cannot cut this directly. I cannot cut it off directly because of this metal housing, whatever. So there's a little wing nut in here. Need to open that to bring this um, socket plate out. Uh, Cutter stripper right here. To cut these wires and get the socket plate out. So there you have it. There's a little clip in here which holds this inside the can assembly. So you need to just press those buttons and press that clip and push it out. Maybe one at a time. It's hard. So there you have it. The can is out to take both of these down. Now I'm gonna strip the wires. The wire has been stripped. Now to connect the lights. So here is the light. Here is the light. When I try to put it in the ceiling, it's a little bit small and these edges show. So to solve that, I 3D printed this ring, which will go on the top of the light and something like that, and it will, stay flush on the ceiling, and you won't be able to see this unveiling around here. But before that, gotta make the electrical connections. Perfect. These are all the items needed to make this project a success. You need a smallish screwdriver, you need a wire cutter and stripper, you need wire assembly holder, I guess, you need the 3D printed ring, you need the included power supply, and of course, you need the included light. All 4 lights have been installed. It took me 2 hours. It wasn't that difficult of a project. I have about 30 more recessed lights in my house which I need to replace. It's gonna happen over the next few days. Thank you all for watching.